Want to switch carriers but keep your Ultra Mobile number? You'll need three key pieces of information: your account number, transfer PIN, and zip code. Your account number is a unique identifier, often starting with followed by digits, and can be found on your bills or in the Ultra Mobile app under Account Details, or by calling 1-888-777-0446. The transfer PIN is a temporary security code, usually 4 to 6 digits, that Ultra Mobile provides to prevent unauthorized porting. Get this through the app, website, or customer service. It's crucial and expires quickly. Finally, you'll need the billing zip code associated with your Ultra Mobile account, which is the postal code from your sign-up address, viewable in the account portal. Knowing where to find these details is the first step to a smooth port-out process. Keep in mind that as of September 2025, Ultra Mobile's port-out process is fully digital via the app or website, with no paper forms needed. Now that you have your account number, transfer PIN, and zip code, contact your new carrier. They'll use this information to initiate the port-out process with Ultra Mobile. Make sure your Ultra Mobile account is active and doesn't have any outstanding balances to avoid delays. The port-out process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but high traffic periods like holidays can cause delays. A common pitfall is entering the wrong transfer PIN, so double-check it. If you encounter issues, contact Ultra Mobile customer service immediately. Ultra Mobile has been implementing stricter porting rules under the STIR/SHAKEN framework, requiring unique transfer PINs. Also, Ultra Mobile provides a port freeze option for high-risk accounts, allowing users to temporarily lock their numbers. According to Ultra Mobile, 85% of ports succeed on the first attempt and 95% are completed within 48 hours, so being prepared ensures a hassle-free experience. Remember that the porting out is free. Trends show a rise in secure porting due to increasing cyber threats.